The Crystal Garden Experimento grow beautiful crystals and understand the principles of crystallization and saturation. Waterable salt or other salts like Epsom salt, borax, etc. A clear glass or jar food coloring optional. A piece of cardboard or spongia shallow dish. A spoon, paper clips or small rocks to hold the sponge down. A magnifying glass optional. Welcome, young scientists. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey to grow our very own crystal garden. It's like watching a beautiful garden grow, but instead of flowers, we'll see sparkling crystals. So, let's get our materials ready and start this magical process. Cut your piece of cardboard or sponge into small pieces or shapes. These will act as the base where the crystals will grow. Place the cardboard or sponge pieces into the shallow dish. If they tend to float, use paper clips or small rocks to weigh them down. Heat a cup of water until it's warm, not boiling. Gradually add salt to the warm water, stirring constantly. Keep adding salt until no more will dissolve and some salt remains at the bottom of the container. This indicates the solution is saturated. If you like, add a few drops of food coloring to the solution to make colorful crystals. Carefully pour the saturated salt solution over the cardboard or sponge pieces in the shallow dish. Ensure the pieces are fully submerged in the solution. Place the dish in a safe, undisturbed location. Over the next several hours to days, check back frequently to observe the crystal formation. Use a magnifying glass to take a closer look at the crystal growth process. Notice how the crystals start small and gradually grow larger. What's happening here is a wonderful display of crystallization. When you dissolve salt in water, the water molecules surround the salt molecules, separating them and spreading them out in the solution. However, when the solution becomes saturated, it can't hold any more salt. As the water evaporates from the dish, the salt molecules start to come back together, forming solid crystals on the surfaces of the cardboard or sponge. This process of crystal formation from a solution is called crystallization. And there you have it, your very own crystal garden. Watch as the crystals grow more intricate and beautiful over time. You can even experiment with different salts or add more solution to see if you can grow even bigger crystals. Science is full of wonders, and you've just created a sparkling example of that. Keep exploring, experimenting, and enjoying the amazing world of science. Share your crystal garden with friends and family and explain the science behind it.